Now this particular remote control, these buttons here are now worn out. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, they don't work very well. So what I'm going to do is open it up. Now there are little things along here. Let me just open it up, and you can pull the clips apart. Some of the different remote controls will have a screw holding it in place, but this one hasn't. So let me just open it up, and here it is here. I've left the batteries in. I should have taken them out. Now if you look at which way everything goes, take the batteries out, you can see this section here for the battery. Alright, so we can take that out as well. Let's move that to one side. Take the PCB out, and we have here the actual part where you press the buttons that touches this part here, so you can change channels, do program up, program down, volume control, etc. But here I can change this. Now I've already cut it, so bear with me. This would normally be together like so, and you would normally use a knife to cut along. That would cut it, and then instead of having it up the same way, you simply turn this round the other way, and that will then fit in there. You have this one which would go in its normal place there, and this one here that will go into its normal place. What you can do if some of the other buttons are not working properly, you can cut them out, but try not to cut just one out, because when that happens, the actual button itself can just flick out, and obviously that won't be much use. So if you do, try to cut out a row of buttons so that it won't flip out as easy. Right, and then you put the PCB, printed circuit board, back on. The battery container, right, it slips over there, if I can get it in there. That's it. And then put the cover back on. Now if the clips have broken, then you could either tape it up or you could glue it, but obviously make sure it works before you glue it. And then put the batteries back in like so. And then these buttons, they look the same, but in fact they've been turned around so that that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 was down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you then press a button, you would normally have that working. And that's one way of resolving some of the problems. As I say, if certain buttons, other buttons don't work, you can cut sections out and move it around to make it work properly, or at least for the time being. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.